If you don't invest, your money is quietly shrinking every single year. Not because you're bad with money, but because inflation is designed to make cash lose value over time. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to start investing, even if you only have $100. Let's be real for a second. Most people think investing is only for rich people, finance bros, or people who got in early. But the truth is, investing is one of the few tools normal people have to stop falling behind financially. And the longer you wait, the more expensive it becomes to start. Here's something most people don't realize. If you start investing just 5 years later than someone else, you can end up with tens of thousands of dollars less over your lifetime, even if you invest the same amount. Why investing matters? Every year, prices go up, rent goes up, groceries go up, gas goes up. But if your money just sits in a regular savings account, it barely grows. That means your money loses purchasing power over time. Investing is how your money works for you instead of against you. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about slowly building a financial safety net so future you isn't stressed all the time. Here's the crazy part. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to predict the market. And you don't need thousands of dollars to start. You just need a simple strategy most beginners never hear about. What beginners should actually invest in? A lot of beginners make the same mistake. They try to pick individual stocks. They chase hype. They follow what's trending on social media. And most of the time, they lose money. A simpler and safer approach is investing in index funds or ETFs. These are funds that automatically invest in hundreds of companies at once. Instead of betting on one company to win, you're betting on the overall growth of the economy over time. Historically, broad stock market index funds have averaged around 7 to 10% per year over the long term. Not every year is positive. Some years are bad. But over long periods, this strategy has beaten most professional investors. Here's the part people mess up. It's not about finding the best investment. It's about staying invested long enough for time to do the heavy lifting. How to start, step by step. Here's a simple beginner roadmap. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is basically an investing account where you can buy funds or stocks. Many platforms let you start with small amounts. Step 2. Start small. You don't need to wait until you have a lot of money. Starting with $25, $50, or $100 is enough to build the habit. Step 3. Automate it. Set up automatic monthly investing. This removes emotion and makes investing boring, which is a good thing. Step 4. Think long-term. Don't panic when the market drops. Drops are normal. Historically, markets recover over time. Panic selling is what locks in losses. Most people fail at investing for one simple reason. They let emotions control their decisions. Not logic, not data, fear. Biggest beginner mistakes. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. Time in the market beats timing the market. Number 2. Chasing hype. If everyone is talking about a stock, you're probably late. Number 3. Giving up too early. Investing works best when you're patient and consistent. You don't need to be rich to start investing, but you do need to start before inflation quietly eats away your future. If this helped you, consider checking out my quick explainer video about inflation. Remember, the sooner you start, the easier your financial life becomes.